Hey, good main squad, it's Janice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope that this video finds you in wonderful, great, excellent spirits. Squad, what I want to say today is surround yourself with people who bring you joy. Life is not guaranteed. We've talked about this before. The next second, the next minute, next hour, day, week, whatever. Not guaranteed to us. So why waste your energy and your time allowing certain people to be in your life or in your inner circle? Surround yourself with people who just bring out the best in you. When you think about them, they make you smile. And it's not just your life partner. It's relationships. It's co-workers. If you're starting your own business, it's whoever you're going to business with, your business partner. It's, you know, your family members, your siblings, your parents, whatever. Whoever's in your inner circle, who you're around all the time you're talking to, make sure they truly have your back. They have your best interest at heart. They genuinely care about you. They want you to succeed, and they're supportive. People can be still supportive, may not agree with what you're doing, but as long as they're supportive and, you know, being in your corner, or offering suggestions or constructive criticism, it's because they care about you and they want to see you do best. And maybe they might have some expertise on something, so they're imparting their wisdom on you. But you shouldn't have anyone in your life who's bringing you down, who shoots down every idea you have, who is like a hater, pretty much, and you allow them to be there. Or just negative, toxic people who just want to bring you down. Like they should make you feel good. You should smile and laugh when you're feeling bad or down. You know, they're there for you. You can reach out to them if you want to help put yourself in better spirits. So let's stop wasting our time on people who just don't deserve us. They don't deserve you. If they're not uplifting you and treating you right and treating you like the queen that you are, the human being that you are, with respect, they don't need to be in your life. Like, you don't have time for it. We don't have time for it. We got things to do. We're bettering ourselves. We got things to accomplish, things to achieve. We want to enjoy life. We want to create happy memories. You can't do that with certain people, and you gotta let them go. Doesn't matter what time of year it is. Doesn't mean because the New Year's coming. Anytime in your life, because nothing's guaranteed, get them out. They don't need to be here. They don't need to be there. Now, if they come back in your life, and they've changed and they're more positive and you know, they show that they genuinely care about you, that's a different story. That's something you need to have a come to Jesus meeting with yourself to decide if they're allowed back in. But until then, let them go. I know people can make you feel comfortable. Some people don't like change. Change can be good, people. Change can actually be good. You want to change for the better. So change can be good. It can be positive. It's a little scary. I admit sometimes change, you're like, I'm not feeling it, not having it. Get out of your comfort zone. Change for the better. Surround yourself with people who can uplift you, motivate you, encourage you, and just make you feel good. Feel good. Just feel good. Feel good. Have people that make you feel good, okay? All right, that's my little motivational blah, 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 motivational speech at the beginning of the video. You know how I do. This is my channel. It's what we do here. Second reason why we are here is for this unit that is resting, nesting, glued to my head. I have on Outre, however you want to pronounce the company. This is Perfect Hairline Charisma. Okay, and I have her in the color Cajun Spice. I think it's D, something before that, 4/Cajun Spice. Yeah. Okay, so she's a 13x4 unit. I have reviewed a few different units from this line. First off, real quick. So I'm going to insert a video. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to get it all together. I'm going to insert a video of me unboxing her in my car. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, right? I want to get this out for you guys. I want to just show this to you. So that's unboxing her. I've had her on for 2 days. I wore her yesterday and today at work. You know, I work long shifts, so I had her on for a minute. Kind of give you guys, you know, a general feel for her. besides just like the initial unboxing review and the 1, 2, 3 month update later down the road. First off, hairline, didn't have to manipulate. It is a perfect hairline as far as, let me show you guys. Okay, so there's the hairline right there. So no manipulation is required, in my opinion. Again, as I said before, it's your unit. You pay the money. Do what you do. Do what you do. If you want to customize her some more, go for it. You can see the knots, so you will need to camouflage those. They're not like too harsh, but under lighting, you can definitely see the knots. But as far as the hairline, that is definitely a pro. So I'm going outward because normally I do cons then pros. We're just gonna do pros. Hairline, pro. This, you know I'm about to do it. This color right here. This color right here. You know I'm about to say, right? You can't tell me nothing in this hair color. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Outre whatever you want. They are just doing the thing with these colors. They're dropping. This is gorgeous, and I think this color is sold out when it first dropped. Some sites haven't gotten her yet, so just keep an eye and see if you can pick up this color. If not, you have to choke. Don't choke. Please don't choke anybody. Don't choke yourself. Don't choke anybody. You have to check with your local beauty supply stores and see if they just picked her up and if they got her in stock. But this color, if you're into the seasons, perfect for this season, time of year. If you don't care like myself, you can wear it anytime you want as far as the color. This color is gorgeous. Like a copper, auburn color. It is just like, see like the darker auburn here, and then it fades into like a lighter kind of copper. And then at the very end, it's like more of a like copper orange. Like this is gorgeous, girl. She is spicy. She is Cajun spice. But Outre, if you're watching this, drop more units in this color. This color is absolutely stunning. It's big head friendly. It's pretty much big head friendly. I just feel like I have a really big head. So some of it came up because these masks, like I'll lay my hair down, she'll look gorgeous. I put the mask on, the mask trying to go around my ear, just kills it every time. But I did pull some up just so you can see where it's at. So I mean, it comes pretty much here, but I did have to use some of the baby hairs to kind of swoop here to lay the lace down. It is a soft lace, and it doesn't come all the way. You have to kind of pull it to get it to sit. So to me, it doesn't come all the way on me, but I feel like it's still big head friendly. I feel like it has enough room. Just feel like I'm on the larger side of it, but it's like you can see it flapping up right there. But you could just, you know, spray glue it down, create some sideburns and kind of adhere it down, make it really cute, and nobody would know the difference. No one will know any better. They won't know any better. So yeah, that's what I did for my hair. Baby hairs are very natural, and I like how the baby hairs go around the perimeter. So if you do have issues like myself, you can use those baby hairs sporadically and get them played so the lace lays flat, melts in. So yeah, to the cons. There's some humpage going on in this unit. So I don't know if you can see, you probably can, like this is humpage here. I didn't want to fix it. I don't want to fix stuff too much before coming on camera, especially since I did this in my car. I want you guys to kind of see it in its natural state or how it's going to come out of the package, and then you can decide from there what you want to do with it. But there's some humpage going on, so do what you do to get rid of that humpage. Length is, she is long, okay? She is like pushing 30 inches. Like, she is coming here, guys. She is long. I don't know if y'all can see that. So she's long. Keep that in mind when I'm about to say this. She's long. She's curly. And the perfect hairline doesn't advertise about using premium fiber, synthetic fiber. I don't believe. If I can recall, I don't believe that they say that. It's kind of like Sensational, same thing. So, there's going to be some tangles. Nothing like, oh my gosh, throw the whole unit away. You can brush her. Just leave her in the style you want. Leave her alone, okay? But if you do play with her, you're going to encounter the snags and the tangles. Because she's a long unit and she's not premium, I'm already getting the crunchies and the frizzies. So hopefully you can see right there, it's already going on. And it's just one piece. It's one piece on each side. So right here, this side's starting to do it. And then you can kind of see it there. So that's a disappointment, but it's a long unit. I just didn't expect it to do this already in 2 days. But I would pay a few extra dollars if they could throw in premium, guys, tongue twister, premium synthetic fiber. So let me show you, I'll take my clip out and show you the parting space. That should, oh, sorry guys if I was yelling. That should have went with the pros, the parting space. Jeez, oh, this color. I think what's getting me is this color. Because I think the frontal part is just a little weird because of the way it kind of, the hair wants to go this way. So just train the hair, and then I think it's just, see, like I'm trying to push her up front, but the roots of the hair want to go back. I don't know if it's this particular color. See a little weird humpage right there? I don't know if it's this particular color that's why the hairs are going that way. We'll have to keep an eye out on someone doing this unit in a natural hair color and seeing if they have the same issue. But let me know what you guys think. This color, man, this color is what sold me. I just think this is just so beautiful, and I think she's worth it just for this particular color. But you guys let me know what you think. Would you want to put up with the tangling after 2 days already? Or are you just like, I'll pass and wait and see? I'm just so glad with the perfect hairline that Outre's gotten better with the perfect hairline collection as far as the hairline itself. Now that they've got that, they just need to give us some premium fibers with it. So, and she's, oh, real quick, she is on the silky side. So that's another thing why she's probably tangling early on. She's a silky unit. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. I greatly appreciate it. You just don't know. I really do. Sorry guys, silly mode, late night. But no, I really, truly, greatly appreciate people subscribing, liking the video, commenting. Makes it feel good. So thank you for that. Thank you for allowing me to feel good about the content that I put out there. And, you know, don't just do it for me as well. You know, if there are other YouTubers out there that you like, you know, emoji hearts or anything like that, just to let them know, like, hey, I appreciate you. Thank you for taking the time to review this unit. None of my wig reviews are sponsored at this time. So everything, all the wigs that I have reviewed on my channel, I purchased out of pocket. So you guys taking the time to leave comments or just to like the video means a lot to me because, you know, again, this is all sponsored by myself. So it's just nice to know that you guys are liking the content I'm creating. I'm creating it because I want to do. I mean, we all do it because we want to do. I shouldn't say it like that. But, you know, I want to do this. I want to provide information to people. And so thank you for allowing me to do that, and just continue to like the video, so I will continue on this journey, because I've been excited for these last units. Like, I needed these units because that other one was just a big disappointment. So I'm so glad with these last few units that yes, 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 and yes. All right, if you're new to my channel, first time here, hey, how you doing? Go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Like I just said, it makes you feel good, and I want you to feel good. I feel good. We both feel good. We all feel good. We spread it around. Everybody feels good. Okay? And, you know, you don't need a tax refund or a stimulus check or extra money or a loan or a payday loan or a credit card or, you know, savings. You don't need anything. It's free. So just hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you get notification when a new unit headed your way. Because I did get another one, so yeah, I'm excited about this one because she sold out for a minute and she's back in the color I want. So yeah, you need to subscribe and hit the bell so you know when that's dropping. Let me get off here because I'm way too silly right now, and I'm starving, like Mark. Starving like Mark, girl. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch whatever this was. And you know, that's what we're here for. Like I'm in a thank you, Lord. I am in a great mood, and I have people in my life that make me feel good, and that I just feel like I can just take on the world. I could just take on whatever comes my way because I know I have people in my life that make me feel good and make me feel like I can do this. So that's what you need to do. People in your corner that make you feel you can do this. You can do this life. You can take on, do what you need to do. Okay, all right. Bye.
Baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype. Write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches. I just raise my price. I'm a boss. I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.